Welcome to Autodrive, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, updates, and everything you need to know about the latest rides in the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars or looking for your next perfect vehicle, make sure to subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Stay with us through this video as we break down everything about the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air that you need to know. The 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air is a modern reimagining of a timeless classic, blending nostalgic styling with today's performance and technology. Under the hood, you can expect powerful engine options including a refined V6 and a muscular V8, designed to deliver excellent horsepower and torque, giving this beauty not just its iconic look but also the performance to match. The engine displacement is designed for balance between raw power and everyday drivability, making it an exciting yet practical option. Transmission choices include a smooth automatic gearbox with multiple gears that enhances the driving experience, whether cruising through city streets or pushing on the open highway. The drivetrain options include rear-wheel drive for those who enjoy traditional performance dynamics, while an all-wheel drive version may also be available to boost traction and control in different driving conditions. Inside, the Bel Air continues to impress with a spacious and premium interior. Depending on the trim, you'll find high-quality leather upholstery, wood trim accents, and chrome touches that give it an upscale feel. It seats up to 5 passengers comfortably, with options like heated and cooled seats, ambient lighting, and advanced climate control systems that add both style and function. The exterior is a head-turner, combining classic Bel Air design cues with a modern twist. Whether it's the signature grille, sculpted body lines, or the special edition trim packages, the 2026 Bel Air makes a bold statement. The coupe body style is sleek and athletic, and its length, width, height, and wheelbase are engineered for both visual appeal and balanced road performance. On the road, the suspension system is designed for comfort and handling, featuring independent suspension with advanced shock absorbers. The steering uses a rack and pinion system with power assist for responsive and confident maneuvering. Braking is reliable thanks to disc brakes on all 4 corners, with well-sized rotors for solid stopping performance. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Bel Air includes modern features like multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, and electronic stability control, keeping you and your passengers secure. Infotainment is top-notch, featuring a touchscreen system with radio, CD player, built-in GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additional features like cruise control, power windows and locks, and a panoramic sunroof make everyday driving more enjoyable. Notable upgrades for the 2026 model include revised styling, updated tech interface, and new special editions that celebrate the Bel Air heritage while embracing modern needs. For more deep dive reviews like this, subscribe to Autodrive and be part of our growing community. Stick around till the end of each video for full insights that help you make the smartest choice for your next vehicle. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next review.